Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. If few websites are not loading on your browser or you are unable to open any website on your browser, in this video I will show you some steps to fix this issue completely. So without wasting your time, let's start with our method 1. Click on your Windows icon, then click on this settings option. Now click on this network and internet option. Now on the left side, click on this proxy option. Now disable your manual proxy. Make sure your manual proxy is disabled. This is your first step. Now move on to our next step. If you are still getting the same issue, click on your search bar and type control panel. Now click on this control panel app. In the view by type, change it to small icons. Now click on network and sharing center. Now on the left side, click on this option, change adapter settings. Now if you are using a desktop and you are using a LAN cable for internet connection, right click on this Ethernet option. Or if you are using a Wi-Fi connection, right click on your Wi-Fi option. Then click on properties. Now select this option, Internet Protocol version 4. Select this option, then click on properties. Now in this option, use the following DNS server address. So you have to type two DNS address. So the first address will be 8.8.8 and the alternate DNS server address will be 8.8.4.4. So type DNS server manually, then click on OK, then click on close, then cut this window. So this is your step 2. Now move on to our step 3. If you are still getting the same issue, go to your search box again and type CMD. Now right click on command prompt, then click on run as administrator. Now you have to type a command. So the command will be ipconfig /flush DNS. Type this command, then press enter, and you can see successfully flush the DNS. Now cut this window and restart your system. So these are the 3 steps you can try to fix this issue completely. This is all for the video. Thank you.